Miss English Journey.
What if improving your English could feel as relaxing as your evening routine? Well, tonight we're doing exactly that. By the end of this episode, you'll learn real evening phrases, natural expressions, and easy English you can use every night without stress. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Journey, where learning English is easy, fun, and feels like talking to a friend. I'm Rebecca.
Hello, Rebecca. And hello, everyone. It's great to be with you all. Rebecca, how are you today?
I'm great, James. I'm really happy to record another cozy episode. And you? How are you?
I'm fantastic, but a little sleepy already. Perfect for an evening routine podcast, right?
Perfect. And before we start, thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. And please, if you enjoy our podcast, remember to subscribe and click the like button. It helps a lot.
Exactly. And share this episode with your friends too. So, James, what are we talking about today?
Tonight, we're talking about my evening routine. Simple English phrases, natural conversations, and relaxing expressions you can use every evening.
Amazing. Let's begin.
So, Rebecca, walk us into your evening. What's the very first thing you do when you get home after a long day?
Honestly, the first thing I do is stop at my door, close my eyes for 1 second, and take a deep breath. Like, it's my little moment of release. The day is finally over.
Oh, I know that feeling so well. It's like your whole body says, okay, we can calm down now.
Yes, and then I do something very simple. I put my bag down gently because I don't want more stress, and I take off my shoes. And then I say my famous sentence.
Oh, I already know what's coming.
Yes, I look around and I say, I need 5 minutes. I say it every single day.
I swear you've been saying that for years. It's your signature line.
It really is. But honestly, I think everyone needs this. Listeners, this is a great phrase you can use in English when you want a short break. I need 5 minutes means I need a little rest. I need a moment alone. I want to breathe and reset. Not a long break, just a small pause to relax.
Try saying it the next time you get home or when you feel tired. Just stop, breathe, and say, I need 5 minutes. It really works.
Yeah, because those 5 minutes help me disconnect from the stress of the day. No notifications, no talking, no thinking. I usually sit on my couch, or sometimes I just stand in the kitchen with a glass of water and breathe.
Oh, the classic stare at the wall moment.
Yes, exactly. Just stare at nothing. I call it my brain reboot.
You know what? That's a perfect phrase for our listeners. Brain reboot. Meaning, a short moment to reset your mind or clear your thoughts. You can say this in daily life. I just need a quick brain reboot. It's natural, modern, and native speakers really use it.
And after those 5 minutes, I slowly feel like myself again. My shoulders relax, my mind becomes quiet. That's when my real evening routine begins.
I love that. And I think a lot of people listening feel the same. The moment you enter your home, you want a small pause. You want to feel safe and comfortable again.
Exactly. Home is my reset place. Okay, listeners, now it's time to learn some real English you can use every single evening.
Yes, and if you can, repeat after us. Speaking out loud helps your fluency.
I'm finally home. This one is perfect when you walk in the door after a long day.
You say it with relief, like your body is relaxing. Super common phrase. You'll hear native speakers use this all the time. Example, I'm going to change my clothes. I need something more comfortable.
Perfect after school, work, or the gym. I need to unwind. Unwind means relax and release stress. It's a beautiful word. Example, I need to unwind before I start cooking.
You can say this after a busy day, a long meeting, or even after studying. I'm going to make something warm to drink. This is a cozy phrase. It feels like a hug. Example, I'm going to make something warm to drink, maybe chamomile tea.
It creates a relaxing evening mood immediately. This means I'm finished. No more work, no more stress. Example, I'm done for today. I'll continue tomorrow.
Great phrase for healthy boundaries. I'm switching off my phone. This is powerful. When you turn off your phone, your brain calms down. Example, I'm switching off my phone so I can relax.
I love this one. It's self-care in one sentence.
It's the secret to peaceful evenings.
So true. I need a quiet moment.
A gentle, polite way to say you want silence. Example, I need a quiet moment before dinner.
Let me get settled.
Native speakers use this a lot. It means adjusting and getting comfortable at home. Example, let me get settled, then I'll call you back.
I'm going to freshen up. This means wash your hands, wash your face, maybe change clothes. Just refresh yourself. Example, I'm going to freshen up before I make dinner.
What a long day. This is a perfect emotional phrase. Everyone understands it. Example, what a long day. I need to rest.
I need to recharge. This means you need energy again, mentally or physically. Example, I need to recharge after all those meetings.
Let's keep the evening calm. This great for parents, roommates, or friends. Example: let's keep the evening calm tonight. I want a peaceful mood.
So, James, what about you? What does your evening routine look like?
Okay. Honestly, my evenings are my favorite time of the day
Aw, why?
because I make them relaxing on purpose. First, I take a hot shower every day. It helps me slow down.
Oh, yes. I love evening showers.
Then I put on my comfiest clothes, my super soft hoodie.
The famous hoodie.
Yes, the legendary one. And then I make tea, usually chamomile. It helps me relax.
Mmm. Listeners, you can say, I'm making a cup of tea. Or, I need something warm to drink.
Oh, wow. Ooh, just talking about my routine is making me sleepy.
That's how you know it's working. Okay, listeners, imagine this. You come home from a long day and you're talking to someone.
Hey, how was your day?
Not bad. I'm just tired. I need to relax.
Same. I'm making tea. Want some?
Yes, please. I'll go change my clothes first.
Okay, take your time.
Thank you.
You can use this exact conversation in real life.
Let's give you more natural evening expressions.
I'm getting ready for bed.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm setting my alarm.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Evenings are special. They remind us to slow down, take care of ourselves, and breathe.
And learning English can be part of that. A quiet moment just for you.
Thank you for spending your evening with us. It really means a lot.
And if this episode helped you relax and learn English,
Don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Journey.
good night, everyone.
Sleep well and keep improving step by step.